Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Limitless token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Limitless exchange allows natural language expressions of arbitrary market condition to be traded fairly, creating a forecasting and risk engine for the global economy. Limitless is a decentralized prediction market platform where users trade on real world and crypto customs using a simple yes or no format. Powered by its native token for governance and incentives, Limitless token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 131.59 million. LMTS token. LMTS token is listed on MEXC, KuCoin, BingX, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.